Math is interesting.
Math is everywhere.
Math look for shapes and patterns in real life.
Math is figure-outable.
Math is fun and challenging.
Welcome to our video presentation of mathematics in the modern world.
In this presentation, we will explore and share our experiences in this subject. Join us as we delve into the fascinating and diverse ways in which mathematics impacts our daily lives and shapes the world around us. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone with a curious mind. Without further ado, let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is Angelan M. Digal, and for today's video, I am going to share my experiences in mathematics in the modern world. So my experience in this subject has been an eye-opening. I have learned how mathematics is used in various fields. I have also seen mathematical concepts such as sets, statistics, and other topics that we tackled, including patterns and Fibonacci sequence, are essential in solving real-world problems. Though sometimes I found it hard because I really don't know if I solve it right, or especially when it comes to solving problems. So, but one thing I know is it's just a matter of dedication, effort, and most of all the willingness to learn, and you really need to focus on the discussion in order for you to get it or to fully understand the subject. Overall, my experience in this subject has shown me the practical applications with mathematics in today's society and the importance of having a strong foundation in mathematical skills.
I'm Maria Gilda I. Vigilant. My MMW experience was memorable and enjoyable. I was nervous at first because there were many thoughts playing in my mind that I couldn't survive this subject. This subject made me realize that if you have a focus on the discussion, you can understand the subject well. Through this subject, I learned that we should love and appreciate mathematics because it was very important in our daily lives. It helps us handle money, comprehend and evaluate data, and will make informed judgment because math develops critical thinking. People may approach difficult issues carefully and solve them quickly. In MMW, we tackled a lot of lessons, one of which is patterns. Patterns are regular, repeated, or recurring forms or designs. Through mathematics, we can identify different patterns.
Good day everyone, I am Gina Flores and I'm going to share my experience in mathematics in the modern world. Mathematics in the modern world shapes in everyone's mind today. In this subject, we tackle different topics like patterns, inductive reasoning, different kinds of problem solvings, and nature of statistics. My experience in this subject is not easy because I need to survive because I know in myself that I'm not good in solving. But in our class, I discover a lot and starting to love this subject because in real life, we discover mathematics every day. One of my experience in this subject is we are looking for different patterns here in our campus and I discover more about in our environment. And I say that nature can also be described mathematically.
Hello everyone, I am Kimberly Tumale and this is my experience in mathematics in the modern world. Mathematics is not just all about solving arithmetics. We can also relate mathematics to challenges in our lives, which you may also solve a lot of problems before you can find a solution. During my MMW experience, it has been hard for me because I know in myself that I am not that good in mathematics. I can remember when we had our first discussion, which talks about the patterns and numbers in nature and the world, where each pattern represents their purpose and uniqueness. Solving mathematical problems is not that hard if you understand and know how to solve them. But there are times that you may struggle because of the pressures around you. I discovered that mathematics is very important to be part of our lives. All I thought that was mathematics was boring, but it is not. It is interesting and fun. It is interesting and fun, especially when you solve a problems by your own. It makes you feel proud of yourself. Little by little, I learned to love mathematics, though it is challenging, but it is much interesting.
everyone, I am Regine Altaguisa. Today I wanted to share my experience in MMW. Mathematics has always been a fascinating subject for me, and in the context of our rapidly advancing society, its importance and relevance have only grown. First and foremost, my journey in mathematics has taught me the power of problem solving. In the modern world, we face complex challenges that requires analytical thinking and logical reasoning. Lastly, my experience in mathematics has highlighted the importance of collaboration and communication.
We hope that this presentation will give you a deeper appreciation for the power and relevance of mathematics in the modern world. Thank you!